So I'm feeding Liam and my husband just decided to start filming me. I was just commenting out loud about my opinions about some woman's vlog and he was like, oh, that's really funny. But I'm being a bit of a bitch really. You know, basically there's some woman and she's in labour and she's just such a whinger. She's like, oh, it's so painful, it hurts so much, ow, ow. And I'm just sitting there going, seriously, labour's not that hard, like, it doesn't hurt that bad. I don't know why all these women complain. It's just for shock value, I don't know. It's ridiculous. They just want to scare everybody who hasn't given birth yet, honestly. And then her husband was like, kind of lame, and he's like, oh, I can't find a parking spot, and they're like walking around for 10 minutes trying to find somewhere to park. It's like, seriously, if your woman's in labour, you don't go running around finding a parking spot, do you? You just get out of the car. It's not that hard. I don't understand these people. So now I'm watching Samika vlogs, and some baby just like ate ice cream. It's pretty funny. So this one's a lot better than the one I just watched. Did he just sneeze and go to sleep? Okay, that's what I thought happened. I was just checking. A bit weird. Just want a big hug. Yeah. I'm just watching this kid hold down a whole ice cream. He's only like 1 and he's just like, go on hell for leather with it. It's Samika Vlogs, Baby Loves Ice Cream. Go check it out. Pretty crazy. Okay.